y'all. Well, I'm finally well, and I'm feeling like 100% again. Me and Macy and Jenny are all doing better, and we just came on. This is going to be a really short video because we just came on to say, hey, I'm feeling better. I want to thank all of y'all that sent me cards and emailed me. I still have not had a chance to sit down and answer my emails, but I'm going to do that this afternoon. And since I was stuck on the sofa not being able to do anything, my brain was going, and I've got 4 or 5 new recipes that Jenny and I are getting ready to try out. We're going to work on one of them after we finish this video, but we just wanted to come on here and say thank you. And seriously, all of you guys that sent me cards, I appreciate it so much, and I read them and they touched my heart so much. And I'm going to be emailing you guys too, but I just wanted to thank you and let you know that I felt the prayers. Your prayers worked, and Jesus is real, and He healed me. And we are back. I told Jenny yesterday, I feel like George Costanza. I'm dating myself, but that's okay. I feel like George Costanza on that show Seinfeld when he used to say, "I'm back, baby." So I feel that good, and I really am so grateful to you and to God, and just to have my health back is amazing. So we're going to be back soon, and we're going to be doing another video tomorrow. So hopefully I'll be able to get it edited and up for you guys after we get it done. But there'll be a food video coming tomorrow. So we love you. We love you. We love you. And we will talk to you soon. Bye.